What's up guys? Today in the Detail Garage we have a quick tip on how to keep your leather looking its best. Now this is a 2013 Tesla and it's got this tan interior which shows all kinds of grime, debris, spills, which this car has all three of those. So we're going to show you how to properly clean it and maintain it to prevent any kind of discoloration or staining over time. So starting with the armrest over here, this is an area that gets a lot of abuse from either grease from your elbow or say the driver of this was drinking some kind of soda and they spilled it all over this. And this can lead to cracking. It can actually dry out the leather. So we're going to show you how to clean it just using a simple product like leather cleaner and a horsehair brush, which is going to gently remove any of the embedded stains. And to help penetrate the surface, I'm going to spray a little bit in the brush. This one acts as lubrication so that we're not scratching with the brush, and it's also going to help clean just by creating a foaming action. And this is safe for any kind of leather, any color leather. Working into the surface. And you can see a little bit goes a long way, only a couple sprays. Now we'll wipe off the excess to show you guys the before and after. And now we have a perfectly clean and dry piece of leather, nice, soft, and supple, but we still want to protect it, which is why we have our leather conditioner. And this is basically adding the nutrients and also a protective coating which resist oils, spills, and anything else that can discolor and harm the leather over time. So we're going to start by shaking it up, and then using a microfiber applicator, I'll apply just a couple drops because it's a very small section that we're protecting right now. And since there is stitching in here and these deep grooves, we don't want to actually clot up in there, so I'm going to work it into the applicator to prevent any kind of buildup or clotting. And now we'll just work it into the leather, back and forth, side to side, just thoroughly massaging it into the surface. And you can see it's got a glossy finish. Now you can either leave it like this if you want that effect, or give it a moment and then buff it off for that more natural look. So I'm going to wrap this up. In the meantime, you guys can head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like this car or this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.